Hello everybody and welcome back to another Python demo tutorial video. And in this video we'll be demoing the Tic Tac Toe game. And how it works is that you have to get your piece 3 in a row, 3 in a column, and 3 diagonally in order to win. So let's try a couple of rounds. So if I put X there, let's put O here, and then this is the way you can win. So X wins. And then you want to play again, yes. Let's make O win this time. Yep, O wins. Like that. And then let's do something random. Okay. Yep, that's another way of winning. And there. So yeah, that's basically the game for you. Alright, thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it.